Sa court pa lang, may tension na agad. Mga mata nag-iinit, parang may laban kahit warm up pa lang. Ang lakas ng spike, pati attitude may bang. Pero kahit nag-aasahan, di pa rin ang laman. Minsan may konting drama, pero walang bitawan. One team, one fight, kahit may salitang masakit. Sa dulo ng araw, kami pa rin ang Valentong GB lang, GB lang, GB lang. Bawal lang seryoso, GB lang, good vibes lang. Mga players na maldita pero nakakaalo talaga. Sa court pa lang, may tension na agad. Mga mata nag-iinit, parang may laban kahit warm up pa lang. Ang lakas ng spike, pati attitude may bang. Pero kahit nag-aasaran, teamwork pa rin ang laman. Ang ingay sa gilid, tawanan sabay taray. Minsan may konting drama, pero walang bitawan. One team, one fight, kahit may salitang masakit. Sa dulo ng araw, kami pa rin ang Valentong GB lang, GB lang, GB lang. Bawal lang seryoso, GB lang, good vibes lang. Mga players na maldita pero nakakaalo talaga. Bawat follow may puso, bawat laban ng sigaw. GB lang, GB lang, GB lang. Bawal lang seryoso, GB lang, good vibes lang. Bilog ang bola pero diretso ang diskarte. Ang maldita sa bench mamaya.
Maraming salamat, Sir Al.
Ayan, and also guys, to show some love and support for our sponsors tonight, we are also inviting you to like their Facebook pages. Ayan, Alagang Inchang People Branch, Fairy Gods Bars, and also Candy Beauty Lounge at ang Furniture Guild's Mall 1 Daily. Score 1-0. It is simply George. Set. San Andres from the back. Manny Batas. Still playable. Very good Barbie. Isipin Bañez. From the middle, successful attack by jersey number 25. Ang serving, makulap na. Isipin Datu. Datu. Ako, Vera, wala kira pa-stare from the middle. Official score, 3-1. Gloria on the service deck. San Andres. Josh Ibanez from the open. Received by Gloria. Agovila was more from the middle. Official score, 4-2. Received number 1. Received by Josh Cisnero from the middle. That goes through. Service by Ibanez. Service ace by jersey number 13, Ibanez. Hard serve, angat ni Batas, abor sa 4, not over. And just like that, Alive 4. Outside. Abor on the service deck. Short serve. Santa Maria sa... Santa Maria sa... Cuatro second clock by Ken Batas FBI calling flying kiss. Official score says hard serve by Abor. San Andres sa open, that was too wide. The lead is now 2 points para sa team Verigan Barview. Official score, 7-5. Hard serve again with the top of the net. Batas sa open, soft touch, still playable. Riley, sikat sa open, angat. Miscommunication, Riley sa 4, angat. Batas sa open, short ball, but that was yay! Our advantage for Team Verigan Barview. Nice receive by Prudenciano. That attack was too long for Ibanez. Still on the service deck, John Zuruder aboard. Nice touch out goal for Team Alabang. Official score. Service by Riley. Solid attack by Kennedy Batas. The lead is back to 4. Official score 10-6. Hard serve, grab ball. Nice net defense by Garcia, jersey number 22. 5 points. Let's see how Alaga and Chang will respond. Official score, 11-6. Another hard serve from Kennedy Batas. San Andres, that was too long for San Andres. Biggest lead so far of the night. Okay, so 2 different calls from the line judges. Is it an in or was it out? Ano ang tama? Inside or outside?
Head ball. Head ball. Inside kasi yun. Ay, talaga. Bawal ka na yun.
Ball was reversed. Official call. Too strong for Estrabon. Official score 37. Receive ni Josh, mamulagnan, Pato, angat. Still playable, but no justice. 4 touches violation committed para sa Team Verigan Barview. The lead is down. Now serving San Andres. Ricky Batas. Gloria umatake from the open. Service by Aranyo. Isip ni Josh. Josh atake sa open. Josh atake sa open. Josh atake sa open. That goes through. Makulagnig still on the service deck. Inisip ni Tatu. Award. That was inside. It is back to 6. Service, Eugene Gloria. Riley sa 4. Tagay sa likod. Successful attack. Official score. Mr. Steve by Gloria nagawa ng paraan. Kennedy Batas overcooks that one. Official score 15-11. Ang battle between Team Farragut Barbie versus Team Kenny. Very dominating a board from the opposite side of the court. Official score is 16-11. Now serving jersey number 1. San Andres to receive. Ibanez sa attack team. Ibanez sa attack team. Ibanez sa attack sa open. Successful. Mahabol ng alagang Insyang. Now serving, Ibanez. The lead is down to 3. Official score is 16-13. Score is 17-13. Official score 17-14. Wide for that attack para kay RJ. Official score 17-15. From being up by 6, dalawa na lang ang hinahabol ng Team Alagang Insyang. Kennedy Batas with that response. Official score 18. Quick serve. Ibanez sa open.
Jollibee, papasukin si Jollibee!
Support and we have entertainment on the side. Official score 19-16. Now serving jersey number 9. Receive. Mangulagnan sa gitna. Nice net defense by Gloria. Nice net defense para sa Team Perigan Barley. Gloria, responde angat. San Andres from the open, not over. Still on the service net, jersey number 9. Ibanez receive. Ibanez sa gitna. What a nice fight attack by Josh Ibanez. Ayan. Official score 2017. Cosmic error committed by Agro Villa. It is now to 2.
Aura pa si Mono.
Okay, wait lang guys. Long rotation daw pero nahihirapan sila i-distinguish kasi walang score sheet. Tantos-tantos lang ang meron dito. So, walang nag-score sheet. Tantos lang. Points, gano'n. Hindi pwede. Hop. So, wala kasing score sheet dito. So, ayun lang. Tantos lang. Ano nangyayari?
Ano na po ang ato? Dead ball na ang last sequence of the game, yung last sequence ng laro natin. So, balik sa 17 ang score ng Alaga Beach. There was just a miscommunication happened. Reverse call, official score 2017. Still on the service net, Ben San Andres.
Sayang naman yung atake ni Josh.
Inisipin Gloria, Agobina. Oops, miscommunication. Gloria sa open, that goes through. Official score
Balik.
Official score 21-17 on the service net, jersey number 3. Mangulagnan, Ben San Andres. Ang tawag ay Fenderline Falls. Thank you, goal. By Team Alaga Beach. Outside serve, official score 22. Agobina from the middle. 23. Gloria on the service net. Receive. Ibanez sa open. That was it. Gloria. Isa gitna. Still playable. Ibanez sa atake sa open. That was too wide. For Josh Ibanez. That will bring us to championship point. I want to 30. One to 20, wait lang po, sir. 1 to 25 lang as discussed earlier during the rules and regulations. As
30 down.
1 to 30 lang. Eh, magalit sa akin. Ano? Okay, 1 to 30 ha. Official score 24-18. On the service deck, jersey number 1. Costly error committed by Josh. Official score 25-0.
Gusto niyo na bang makita si Jollibee?
Kani score worthy, announce na lang namin yung score after 25. Back row attack by Josh Ibanez.
21-21 score.
That response from Kennedy Batas. Score 26-1.
Score 26-21. Mali yung nasa scoreboard.
Receive. Sanandez sa open. Nice net defense. Backroll again by Josh Ibanez and a solid block by Eugene Gloria. Official score 27-21.
Wala nang 20. Ubus na yan, 25 lang. So 27 na yan.
Nice serve. Quick attack, angat. Dinrap sa likod, angat. San Andres from the open side of the court. Official score 7-2. 27-22. Trap serve. Slide attack successful by jersey number 22, Arvin Garcia. Warning to Timmy Josh. San Andres with that response. The score 28-23. Nice receive by Batas. Against the side of the court, angat. Eugene Gloria, the drop ball, angat. Ibanez from the open, nilagay sa likod. That was too long for Josh Ibanez. And we are now at the match point. Kasi kung makakahabol ang team, alaga din siya. Official score, 29-23. Receive. Ibanez sa open. Angat. That was too wide for a board. Official score. Alam siya. Receive ni Batas. Abort sa 4. Ayun. And we're back. Congratulations, kid. Pereira Marvin.
nagiinit, parang may laban kahit warm up pa lang. Ang lakas ng spike, pati attitude may iba. Pero kahit nag-aasawa, di mo pa rin ang